Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Digital Machine World. Today, we're excited to introduce the high-speed spindle. I live with a wheelchair. The Doosan DNM 5700's high-speed spindle features a 1-200 0 RPM spindle speed, ideal for high-speed machining of complex parts. This high-speed capability enables increased productivity and efficiency in various machining operations. The spindle's design and construction ensure high precision, rigidity, and thermal stability, allowing for accurate and reliable machining results. The high-speed spindle also supports a wide range of machining applications, from high-speed cutting to heavy-duty machining, making it a versatile solution for various industries. Precision machining. The Doosan DNM 5700's precision machining capabilities offer plus 1.7% positioning accuracy and plus 7.1% repeatability. Repeatability ensuring precise and accurate machining results. This level of precision is ideal for machining complex parts with tight tolerances, such as those found in the aerospace and automotive industries. The machine's advanced control system and high rigidity construction also contribute to its precision machining capabilities, making it a reliable choice for high-precision machining applications. This precision enables the production of high-quality parts with minimal errors. Large work envelope. The Doosan DNM 5700's large work envelope measures 28.7 by 26.5 x 20.5 x/y/z, providing ample space for machining large and complex parts. This generous work envelope allows for the machining of parts with intricate designs and features, making it an ideal choice for industries such as aerospace, automotive, and energy. The large work envelope also enables the machining of multiple parts in a single setup, increasing productivity and reducing cycle times, making it a versatile and efficient machining solution. Advanced control system. The Doosan DNM 5700 features a FANUC 0 OIMF control system, providing advanced machining capabilities and intuitive operation. This control system offers 3D graphics and user-friendly programming, making it easy to set up and run complex machining operations. The control system also supports a range of optional features, such as high-speed machining and precision machining, allowing users to tailor the machine to their specific needs. This advanced control system enables efficient and precise machining, reducing production time and improving part quality. High rigidity construction. The Doosan DNM 5700's high-rigidity construction is designed to provide maximum stability and support during machining operations. The machine's heavy-duty cast-iron frame and steel slideways ensure minimal vibration and deflection, allowing for precise and accurate machining results. The high-rigidity construction also enables the machine to withstand heavy cutting forces and maintain its accuracy and precision over time. This robust construction makes the Doosan DNM 5700A reliable and durable machining solution for demanding applications. Spindle motor. The Doosan DNM 5700 is equipped with a powerful 20 HP 15 kW spindle motor, providing high torque and speed for demanding machining operations. This robust motor enables efficient machining of tough materials, reducing cycle times and improving productivity. Rapid travelers. The Doosan DNM 5700 features a rapid traverse rate of 1181 IP, 80 splash mini, enabling fast movement between machining operations. This high-speed traverse reduces non-cutting time, increasing productivity and efficiency in high-volume production environments and complex machining applications. Cutting feed rate. The Doosan DNM 5700's cutting feed rate reaches up to 394 IP, 10 m/min, allowing for efficient and precise machining of complex parts. This high feed rate enables smooth and stable cutting, reducing vibration and improving surface finish, even in demanding machining operations. Tool capacity. The Doosan DNM 5700 features a 30-tool magazine as standard, providing ample capacity for a variety of tools and reducing tool changeover times. This large tool capacity enables efficient machining of complex parts, minimizing downtime and increasing overall productivity. Weight. The Doosan DNM 5700 has a weight of approximately 1,1023 pounds, 5,000 kg, indicating a robust and stable machine structure. This substantial weight ensures minimal vibration and maximum rigidity, allowing for precise and accurate machining results, even in demanding operations. Machine price range. The price range for the Doosan DNM 5700 machining center is approximately $150,000 to $250,000, depending on the configuration, options, and region. This price range reflects the machine's high performance capabilities, advanced features, and robust construction.